crochet a chain, you first need to tie a slip knot, and then you place this on your hook. We now need to tension our yarn because it'll need to be nice and taut to do the chain stitch. So I bring my index finger so the yarn's going over it, and then I hold the yarn with my other fingers. I then use my thumb and my middle finger to hold on to this slip knot. You can hold the yarn however you like, just as long as this strand's nice and taut. So now I'm gonna bring the yarn over my hook so it's going from right to left, turn the hook around so it's upside down, and then it just needs to be brought through this loop. So look at the bottom, you can see the widest point is at the bottom, so make sure your hook is upside down. You can also pull on where you're gripping this knot a little bit if you need to open it up a bit more, and just bring it through, and then you've chained one. So again, bring the yarn across, going from right to left, turn your hook upside down, and bring it through that loop again. Yarn over, turn your hook, and bring it through. Yarn over, turn your hook, bring it through.